A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant meeting at the White House on Thursday, President Donald Trump sat down with Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell to discuss the ongoing economic developments in the United States. The meeting comes amidst a backdrop of increasing tension between the president and the central bank, particularly regarding the Fed's decision to maintain interest rates at a steady level. Since December, the Federal Reserve's benchmark interest rate has remained unchanged between 4.25% and 4.5%, a move that Trump has publicly criticized as a mistake that could disadvantage the U.S. in the global market, especially against economic rivals like China. During the meeting, Powell accepted Trump's invitation to engage in discussions regarding growth, employment, and inflation. However, he refrained from providing any insights into the Fed's future interest rate decisions, emphasizing that these decisions would be made based on careful and objective analysis, devoid of political influence. This statement underscores the Federal Reserve's commitment to its independence, a principle that has been reinforced by recent legal rulings. White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt conveyed that Trump expressed his belief that maintaining high interest rates is detrimental to the U.S. economy. The president's arguments are rooted in his assertion that there is currently no inflation, which he believes should prompt the Fed to lower rates. Despite this, economic experts warn that reducing interest rates may not significantly alleviate borrowing costs for consumers and could lead to other economic complications. The meeting marks Powell's first one-on-one engagement with Trump during the president's second term, and it highlights a complex relationship between the White House and the Federal Reserve. In the past, Trump has been vocal about his dissatisfaction with Powell's leadership, even going so far as to label him a fool and suggesting the possibility of his removal. However, in a surprising turn, Trump has recently stated that he has no intention of firing Powell, indicating a potential shift in his approach to the Fed chair. The economic landscape remains uncertain, with businesses and consumers grappling with the implications of high interest rates and ongoing tariff disputes. Trump has frequently altered his stance on tariffs, and a recent federal court ruling found that the president had exceeded his authority regarding levies imposed last month. This ruling has been temporarily halted on appeal, leaving the economic outlook in a precarious state. As the Federal Reserve prepares for its upcoming meetings on June 17th and 18th, the focus will be on how the central bank will respond to the current economic challenges. Powell's commitment to a non-political approach to interest rate decisions will be tested as pressures mount from the White House and the broader economic environment. The president's insistence on lower rates raises questions about the balance between political influence and the Fed's independence, a critical issue in maintaining the stability of the U.S. economy. In conclusion, the meeting between Trump and Powell serves as a reminder of the intricate dynamics at play in U.S. economic policy. As both leaders navigate the complexities of interest rates, inflation, and international competition, the decisions made in the coming weeks will have lasting implications for the American economy and its position in the global market. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.